Problem number 15. What is the dollar amount of sales tax on a suit priced at $1,358 if the sales tax rate is 2%? Okay, so here we're given the percent and we have the total. So we could solve these in a couple of different ways, but if you're just trying to find 2% of $1,358, we can convert from 2% into 2 divided by 100. That's what percent means, is divide by 100. Of is just times. The dollar sign unit is still there. And now if we go to our calculator, we would get 2 divided by 100 times 1,358. It's $27.16. Now, if you're dealing with money, you don't always get rounding rules. However, you should always round to the nearest penny or cent or hundredths, 2 decimal places. So this is perfect, $27.16. Okay, pause the video as you work on problem 16. The answer to number 16 ends up being $2,030.40. Next type of percent increase, percent decrease. So this is a very common application of percents in society. So common applications: taxes, tips, coupons, sales, etc. And you can either do a one-step process or a two-step process. The two-step process is the most common, but it's not necessarily the most efficient. First, you find the increase or decrease by multiplying the percent rate as a decimal by the initial quantity, as we did in our previous number 15 and 16 problems. And then add or subtract that from or to the initial quantity. And then our one step. We multiply the initial value if it's an increase by 1 plus the percent increase over 100, or for a decrease by 1 minus the percent increase over 100. Let's demonstrate. Number 17. A sweater costs $50 at full price. It is on sale for 14% off. What is the sale price of the sweater? So the two-step, step 1 would be first working out the 14%, which I'm going to write as divide by 100, times the initial price. This will be the discount. So when we work that out, 14 divided by 100 times 50 is 7. And this is $50. Let's keep the units going. So this is $7 off sale. The second step would therefore be the $50. This is a sale, so we subtract the sale, and we get the sale price, $43. The one-step approach, this is a decrease, it's a sale, and so we multiply by this type of multiplier. We would have $50 times 1 minus the 14% decrease over 100. And if we go to our calculator, 50 parenthesis 1 minus 14 divided by 100, in one step we get $43. So it's really up to you whether you like the two-step approach or the one-step approach. Go ahead and try your favorite approach or both approaches on problem 18 as you pause the video. The answer to number 18 ends up being $31.50. Number 19, this time it's a tax rate. This is an increase. So the two-step, step 1 would be to multiply the tax rate. It'd be 7.05% is divided by 100 times the initial value, $28,800. And we calculate that. Then it ends up being $2,030.40. So that is the tax on this car. So the second step is to add that tax rate to the car. So we have the car price, and we're adding this tax to it. And that ends up being $30,830.40. Let's verify that information. 7.05 divided by 100 times 28,800. And that added to the original 28,800 gives us the after tax or including sales tax price of this car. The one-step approach: you take the initial value, this would be dollars, and we multiply by the increase 1 plus the percent increase over 100. 28,800 parentheses 1 plus 7.05 divided by 100, and in one step we have the final answer. Also, 30,830 and 40 cents. All right, go ahead and pause the video and work on number 20. The answer to number 20 ends up being $325.38. Okay,